Have you ever wished you could just something, anything you could dream up, right there in front of you? 3D printing is making that dream a reality. It's like magic, but instead of spells, we use science. Imagine a printer that doesn't use ink, but special plastic. It builds things layer by layer from the bottom up. It's like watching a sculpture appear right before your eyes. This isn't just a cool trick, though. 3D printing, also called additive manufacturing, is changing how we make things in a big way. It's like having a factory right on your desk. Need a new phone case? Print it. How about a custom cookie cutter? No problem. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. 3D printing is more than just making cool stuff. It can create really complex shapes that traditional manufacturing struggles with. That means we can make lighter, stronger, and more efficient parts for everything. This technology is a game changer, folks. 3D printing is taking the world by storm. We see its impact everywhere, from hospitals to outer space. In healthcare, it's transforming lives. Doctors can now create custom-fit hip replacements and dental implants. This means quicker healing and happier patients. They can even print prosthetic limbs that are lighter and more comfortable than ever before. 3D printing is also crucial in aerospace. Building rockets and airplanes just got a whole lot cooler. We can now print lightweight parts that are super strong, making spacecraft more fuel efficient. This means we can explore the universe further than ever before. But that's not all. The construction industry is also getting a 3D printing makeover. We can now print entire houses. This means faster, cheaper, and more sustainable building practices. It's amazing to think we can print buildings like we print documents. The best part, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to use a 3D printer. Everyday people are using them to make amazing things. Want to create a personalized phone case with your name on it? Go for it. Need a replacement part for your vintage toy? Print it. You can even print jewelry, home decorations, and personalized gifts. Imagine giving someone a gift you designed and printed yourself. That's a special kind of awesome. 3D printing empowers everyone to be a creator. It's like having a mini factory in your home, letting you bring your wildest ideas to life. The only limit is your imagination. 3D printing is still a young technology. Like any good adventure, it comes with challenges. We need to develop even better materials, making them stronger and more versatile. We need to speed up the printing process so we can create things faster. We also need to think about the environmental impact. We need to make sure we're using sustainable materials and reducing waste. And as we print more complex things, we'll need to figure out who owns the digital designs. But these challenges also present incredible opportunities. As we overcome them, 3D printing will become even more powerful. It has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing, making it more efficient, sustainable, and accessible to everyone. The future of making things is here, and it's looking very, very exciting.